Google Data Studios allows users to create editable reports that update in real time with data sources. Reports made with Data Studio allow users to view visually appealing documents that provide useful information that is displayed in a way that's easy to interpret. This how-to video will walk you through how to modify an existing report in order to bring your data to life. Start by clicking on Edit. If you want to create a scorecard, go to Insert, Scorecard, and then click and drag to create it. In the Data and Style tab, you can choose the metrics and dimensions that go into it. The style changes the color of the font, the size of the font, and other basic styling. Next, to create a time series, go back up to Insert, click Time Series, click and drag. Here, you can adjust your dimension and your metric, and then adjust the style, where you can change the line color, the grid color, and the color of the axes. Next, to create a data table, go back to Insert, Table, click and drag, and here is really important that you put in the right metrics and dimension. In the metrics, we're adding watch time, video shares, and views. You can change how many are shown in the data table, and you can change the formatting of the table. Here we're changing ours to yellow and white font. Another way to show values is to create either bars or heat maps. For views, we're going to do bars so you can see which videos have the most views. For watch time, we can use heat map to show the amount of time that somebody has spent watching a video versus the other videos that are in the data table. You can change the colors of those as well. Another way to visualize data is to show subscriptions added and removed in terms of a bar graph. For this, our dimension is going to be the date versus subscriptions added. Then we sort by ascending values. Then we go over to Style, change the colors, remove the axes, and remove the legend. Finally, we'll create a geomap. Insert, geomap, click and drag just like the others. For the geomap, we're going to use the country code as our dimension and the views as our metric. And then finally, we'll change the color so that it matches the rest of the document. Once you've included everything you want in the report, you can see how others are going to look at your work by clicking on View. This will go over the graphs and show how you can interact with the data. As dates are added or changed, the results in the report will automatically update and they will filter through the information as needed. Google Data Studios is a great way to create editable reports that will update in real time with real data sources.